Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tiara Harta Rajasa and with NPM 23110401006. In this video, I want to present the material about the role semantic in education. Now we start with the simple questions. What is semantic? Nah, semantic is the study of meaning in language, how word and sentence carry the meaning. There are three main concepts in semantics. The first is sense, reference, and connotations. What is sense? Sense refers to the basic meaning of the word. For example, the word apple can mean a round red or green fruit that can be eaten. The second is reference. Reference is the real object that the word refers to. The example, the apple on the table, which is refers to the one specific apple. And the third, connotations. Connotations refers to the extra meaning or feelings that attach a word. For the example, apple can also suggest freshness and health. Now we move to the slide 2, the importance semantic in education. Semantic play a vital role in education because it helps us to understand and how its meaning create and communications. Beyond being a tool for communications, language also reflects a cultural and social value. Now, in educational context, semantic help us in many ways, like improve comprehensions, enhance critical thinking, develop a better communication skills, increase cultural awareness, support meaningful learning, expands vocabulary, strengthens contextual understanding, builds interpersonal skill, develop problem-solving ability, and also ensures the empathy. Okay, we next to the sense of relations. What is sense relations? Sense relation is how words are related in meaning. There are four main types. The first is synonymy, two words with similar meaning. For example, begin and start. The next is antonymy, word with opposite meaning, like hot and cold. But in antonymy, we have three types: gradable antonymy, complementary antonymy, and relational antonymy. The third, hyponymy, a subclass relationship like a grape is a kind of fruit. The fourth, meronymy, is a part of whole relationship like a finger, the part of hand. Okay, the next, semantic phenomena. There are also several phenomena in semantic that show how meaning work in a real language use. The first is polysemy, one word with a multiple related meaning, such as head, body part, or company leader. Second is homonymy, same but different, unrelated meaning, like bank, bank a river, or bank a money. The next is collocations. Collocation is words that naturally occur together. For example, make decisions. Ambiguity, when a sentence have a more than one meaning because of unclear context. Okay, the next is classroom activity for teaching semantics. To apply semantic in the classroom, there are some fun, effective activity to apply. First, creating a semantic network. A student can draw a diagram showing a relationship between words. For example, the word happy, student might connect with the joyful, pleased, and diligent as a synonym, and sad or miserable as antonym. Second, the ambiguity challenge. The teacher provides sentence with a structural lexical ambiguity such as I saw the man with a telescope or visiting relative can be annoying. Students work in pair or small group to identify the possible meaning and discuss how context challenge interpretations. Okay. The next is self-reflections. After studying semantics, I realized that the words are never neutral. Every word carries its own meaning, that save context, culture, and speaker intentions. Meaning is dynamic, not fixed absolute. This understanding make me a more careful in choosing words and more sensitive imply in meaning in communications, both academy or socially. Semantic also help me interpret text, advertisement, or news more critically. Furthermore, it strengthens empathy by reminding me that people can interpret words differently. In educational, this awareness is essential for creating a more meaningful learning experience and more fostering cross-cultural understanding. The last is conclusions. To conclude, semantic play a vital role in education. It helps students understand and not only literal meaning of words, but also deeper meaning shaped by concept, context, and intentions. This knowledge enhances critical thinking, improves communication skill, and fosters cultural awareness by applying semantics through classroom activities such as analyze, sense, reference, ambiguity, and word relations. Learning is become more meaningful and interactive ultimately. Semantic help both teacher and student will reach a more effective and more empathic educational experience. Okay, that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.